Production formula and process flow of skincare soap, FA Food. Creating skincare soap industrially involves careful planning and safety regulations. The main ingredients required are a blend of oils and fats, lye solution, and optional additives. Safety is paramount, hence the need for protective gear and ventilation in the production facility. The first step in the production process is preparing all the ingredients. Once measured, the lye solution is prepared by dissolving sodium hydroxide in distilled water. The solution is then allowed to cool. Oils and fats are combined in a separate mixing tank and heated to the same temperature as the lye solution. The lye solution is gradually added to the oil blend, constantly stirring until emulsification occurs. Additives such as essential oil blends and colorants are then introduced. The soap mixture is then blended until it reaches trace, a point where it thickens to a consistent texture. The mixture is then poured into molds or onto a conveyor belt for shaping. The soap is allowed to cure for a specific period, then cut into bars or desired shapes. Quality control checks follow, including pH testing and visual inspection. If packaging is done on site, industrial packaging equipment is used. The finished soap is stored in a controlled environment, ready for distribution. Good manufacturing practices, GMP, and industry standards must be strictly followed. Regular testing and quality control checks ensure product safety and consistency. Industrial soap production is a precise operation that requires automated processes and strict adherence to both safety and quality standards. Experts and regulatory authorities should be consulted to ensure compliance with industry regulations. Production formula and process flow of skincare soap, FA Food. Creating skincare soap on an industrial scale requires meticulous planning, following safety regulations, and scalability. The ingredients needed include a blend of various oils and fats, a lye solution, optional additives, and the necessary equipment. Safety is paramount in large-scale soap production. Ensure the facility adheres to safety regulations, with proper ventilation and safety equipment. All workers should wear appropriate protective gear. Ingredients are weighed and measured accurately using industrial scales. The lye solution is prepared by combining sodium hydroxide with distilled water in a mixing tank, stirring until fully dissolved. Prepare the oils and fats by combining them in a separate mixing tank and heating the mixture to the same temperature as the lye solution. Next, the lye solution is gradually added to the oils while continuously stirring until emulsification occurs. Additives like essential oil blends and colorants are introduced for fragrance and color. Adjust these based on the desired scent intensity and color. The mixing continues until the soap mixture thickens to a consistent texture. The soap mixture is then transferred into molds or onto a conveyor belt system for shaping and molding. The soap is left to cure in temperature-controlled vessels for a specified time and then cut into bars or desired shapes. Quality control checks, including pH testing and visual inspection, are conducted to ensure product consistency and safety. If packaging on site, industrial packaging equipment is used to package the soap efficiently. The cured and packaged soap is stored in a controlled environment. Proper inventory management and distribution procedures are implemented. Strict adherence to good manufacturing practices, GMP, and any relevant industry standards is essential. Regular testing and quality control checks should be conducted to ensure product safety and consistency. Industrial soap production involves precise measurements, automated processes, and adherence to safety and quality standards. Consult with professionals and regulatory authorities to ensure compliance with industry regulations. Production formula and process flow of skincare soap, FA Food. Creating skincare soap industrially requires meticulous planning, safety measures, and scalability. The production process involves blending oils and fats, such as coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, palm oil, and castor oil with a lye solution. Essential oils are added for fragrance, and colorants for visual appeal. The production facility must adhere to safety regulations, be well ventilated, and equipped with safety gear. All staff must wear appropriate protective equipment to ensure their safety during the soap making process. Accurate weighing of ingredients is crucial. It's also important to prepare the lye solution separately, adding sodium hydroxide to distilled water and stirring until fully dissolved. The solution is then cooled to a desired temperature. Similarly, the oils and fats are combined in a separate mixing tank and heated to the same temperature as the lye solution. The lye solution is then gradually added to the oils while stirring continuously to achieve emulsification. Once the mixture is emulsified, the essential oil blend and colorants are introduced. The amount and intensity of these additives can be adjusted based on the desired end result. The soap mixture is continuously blended until it reaches a trace, a point where it thickens to a consistent texture. It's then transferred into molds or onto a conveyor belt system for shaping. The soap is left to cure in temperature-controlled vessels for several days or weeks. Once cured, it's cut into bars or desired shapes using an automated machine. Quality control checks are performed, including pH testing and visual inspections. This helps ensure product consistency and safety. If the soap is packaged on-site, industrial packaging equipment is used. The packaged soap is stored in a controlled environment and proper inventory management and distribution procedures are implemented. Adhering to good manufacturing practices and industry standards is crucial in soap production. Regular testing and quality checks ensure product safety and consistency. Consulting with professionals and regulatory authorities guarantees compliance with industry regulations. Production formula and process flow of skincare soap, FA Food. Creating skincare soap industrially requires careful plan, safety regulations adherence, and scalability. This video will present a detailed skincare soap recipe for industrial production. The recipe includes oils and fats blend, lye solution, additives, and necessary equipment. The production area should adhere to safety regulations. Proper ventilation and safety equipment are important. All personnel must wear protective gear. Weigh and measure all ingredients accurately using industrial scales. This ensures the right proportions for the soap recipe. To prepare lye solution, mix sodium hydroxide in distilled water until fully dissolved. The temperature to achieve is usually around 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Next, combine oils and fats in another mixing tank. Heat this mixture to the same temperature as the lye solution. Slowly add the lye solution into the oils, stirring continuously with an industrial blender until emulsification occurs. Introduce the essential oil blend for fragrance next. The amount can be adjusted based on scent intensity. If you're using colorants, add them gradually to achieve the desired color. Continue blending until the soap mixture reaches trace. This is the point where the mixture thickens to a consistent texture. Transfer the soap mixture into molds or onto a conveyor system for shaping. Ensure its uniform distribution. Let the soap cure in temperature-controlled vessels for a few days to weeks. Use an automated machine to cut the soap into bars or desired shapes. Conduct quality control checks, including pH testing and visual inspection, to ensure product consistency and safety. If packaging on-site, use industrial equipment to efficiently package the soap. Store the cured and packaged soap in a controlled environment. Implement proper inventory management and distribution procedures. It is crucial to strictly follow good manufacturing practices and relevant industry standards. Conduct regular testing and quality control checks to ensure product safety and consistency. Lastly, ensure that the production facility meets regulatory requirements. Industrial soap production involves precise measurements, automated processes, and adherence to safety and quality standards. Always consult with professionals and regulatory authorities to ensure compliance with industry regulations. Production formula and process flow of skincare soap, FA Food. Creating skincare soap industrially requires meticulous planning and strict adherence to safety regulations. The process begins with the collection of ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, palm and castor oil.